You ever see someone walk into a room and everyone turns their head? They don't have to yell. They don't have to wave their arms around. Nothing like that. People just notice them. Want to know how they do it? It's actually not hard at all. I'm going to tell you 5 easy tricks. And guess what? You can try them today. No fancy stuff, no superpowers needed, just simple things that really work. But first, let me tell you something cool. Getting people to listen to you isn't about being the loudest person in the room. It's about doing little things that make people want to listen. Kind of like magic, but real. Ready? Let's go. 1. Stand up straight like a superhero. You know how superheroes stand? Tall and strong, right? That's what you need to do too. Most people walk around hunched over, looking at the ground, making themselves small. But when you stand tall, shoulders back, head up, people think, wow, this person is important. It's like when you draw a picture and the biggest character looks the strongest. Your body is telling a story before you even talk. Try it right now. Sit up nice and tall. Feel that? That's confidence starting to grow. 2. Slow down like you're in charge. Ever notice how the teacher or the principal doesn't run around the hallway? They walk slow and calm. People who rush look nervous. People who go slow look cool and in control. Think about it. If 2 kids walk into class, one zooming in super fast, throwing stuff around, talking really quick, and another kid walking in slowly, sitting down calmly, waiting before they talk. Who looks more grown up? The slow one. Every time. So here's what you do. Walk a little slower, talk a little slower, even move a little slower. Your brain will feel calmer, and people will think you're really smart and important. 3. Look people in the eyes, but don't be weird. This one might feel a little scary at first, but trust me, it's super powerful. Most people look at the floor or the wall when they talk. That makes them look shy or nervous. When you look someone in the eyes, you're saying, I'm brave, I'm confident, I'm here. But don't stare like a robot. That's creepy. Here's the trick. Look at their eyes for 3 seconds, then look away for 1 second, then look back. Easy, right? Practice with your mom, your dad, your friends, even the person at the ice cream shop. In just 1 week, you'll feel like a superhero. 4. Listen more than you talk. Okay, this sounds backwards, right? How do you get people to respect you if you're not talking? Here's the secret. Everyone loves being listened to. When someone is talking and you really listen, like you nod your head, you say, uh-huh, or cool, or tell me more, they feel special. And when you make someone feel special, they think you're special too. Most people don't really listen. They just wait for their turn to talk. But you're going to be different. Next time someone talks to you, forget about what you want to say. Just listen really hard. Watch their face. Hear their words. Then when it's your turn, say something nice about what they said. You'll be amazed at how much nicer everyone is to you. 5. The power of being quiet. This is the biggest secret of all. Are you ready? When something crazy happens, like people are arguing or there's drama, everyone starts talking at once. Everyone's yelling. Everyone has something to say. It's so loud. But what if you didn't say anything? What if you just stayed quiet and watched? Here's what happens. When you finally speak, after everyone else is done, everyone stops and listens to you. It's like magic. Quiet people seem wise. They seem like they know secret things. And when they talk, people pay attention. Try this. Next time kids are arguing about what game to play or what to do, just wait. Let everyone talk. Then when they're done, say something short and calm. Watch what happens. They'll all listen to you. The real secret. Want to know the biggest secret of all? All these tricks work because of one thing. They show that you respect yourself. When you stand tall, you're saying, I matter. When you move slow, you're saying, my time is important. When you look people in the eyes, you're saying, I'm brave. When you listen, you're saying, you matter too. When you're quiet, you're saying, my words are valuable. You can't pretend this stuff. People can feel when it's real. Let's review super quick. Stand tall, like a superhero, because you are important. Move and talk, slow, like a wise person. Rushing makes you look nervous. Look in their eyes for 3 seconds. Shows you're confident and brave. Listen really well. Makes people feel special, which makes them respect you. Use quiet as your superpower. Quiet people get more respect than loud people. Your mission. Pick just one of these to try today. Maybe standing taller. Maybe talking slower. Whatever feels easiest. Do it for 1 week. Then see what happens. I bet people will start treating you differently. Your friends, your teachers, your family, everyone. Because when you show respect for yourself, other people respect you too. And that, my friend, is how you become someone everyone notices.